I'm so excited. I love Korean barbecue. And since I didn't have the guts to go sit at an all-you-can-eat spot, I ordered some takeout. So we're gonna try it real quick. Cause your girl gotta go to West Hollywood, so we're about to eat this in the car. And I'm gonna show y'all what it would be like. Alright, so let's see. So basically I ordered 3 different things. I got the bulgogi beef. Did I start crying? I did not mean to. Oh, I did. Okay. So freaking good. Okay. So what we got are, let's see, I think these are my fried chicken dumplings. So I got some fried chicken dumplings. Can you see them? They come with a dipping sauce. Let's go ahead and try it. No, I gotta get that little dipping sauce. Alright. Alright, ma'am. Okay. These are delicious. I should have 4 of them. That's good. I love the dipping sauce because we got like a teriyaki twang to it. Okay. 10 out of 10 on them dumplings. Alright, what's next? Got one more that I'm gonna save for when I get to the house. So we got a long draw. Okay. Ooh. So next is the crispy Korean fried chicken. It looks so damn good. Almost over. Alright. I already know this shit good. I got sweet and spicy. The spice is perfect. Like, not too spicy. Not too bland. Okay, barbecue and rice. It look like the picture. And the taste exceeds my expectations. No, I got. That shit's so good. I got some bulgogi beef with fried eggs. Added to it. Ooh, shit was spicy. So, sorry, egg. That's the bulgogi beef. Oh, yes, mushrooms. Yes, rice. If you know anything about me, you know I love me some fucking rice. I should have got this earlier. This was worth every fucking penny. Worth every fucking penny. Alright, I'm gonna eat a little bit more, then I'm gonna go ahead and head to West Hollywood. It's 7 o'clock. About a 40-minute drive. Then we're gonna drive our ass back home so we can start packing and get ready for bed. Get ready to time travel back to North Carolina. I'm glad I came and got this shit. 10 out of 10. Woo, 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 hot. Definitely going on my yes list. Ooh. Ooh. I was like, stretch the car out. This shit is so good. Yeah, I should have came out this yesterday. Shit. Ooh. I like my food extremely hot temperatures. So like it's hot as fuck, but I'm enjoying every second of it. Ooh. Damn, so this trip I spent most of my money on parking and food. Parking and damn food. Woo! Just want to drink. Enjoy. Where I'm at. I know my GPS about to tell me through everything. Probably through Compton, through them. Down Slauson, Mark Park, all that. I just hope when I get in, it's somewhere safe for me to park. But sometimes some dispensaries in South Hollywood be making park weird. I'm trying to wrap it up. This shit is so good. Somebody's on fire. Got 2 trucks over there. This thing hot as hell. Alright, I'm gonna wrap it up. I made like 12 pieces of chicken. I'm doing it. Grapefruit. Shout out to them for having great ratings. Good job on consistency too. Because the fact that the food looks exactly like the picture says a lot. Sure, this might be our fucking breakfast. Alright. If I want, I was fucking one. I don't know about all that fucking food though. We're gonna eat on it throughout the night. I'm about to start to eat late night food. Shit, not the whole bed day came out. Alright, bye.